are going to learn about time. What we are going to learn? Time. T-I-M-E. Time. You all know what is the time, right? We say like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, all this, right? This is called time. And every house has a clock. Every house has a clock. You know, some houses is having a clock in a circle shape. Some houses will be having a clock in different shape, like flowers, peacock, right? Have you anybody seen a different clock like a peacock model, something like this? Yes, right? So there are many models nowadays has come into the market of the clocks. Okay, but remember one thing, whatever it might be the shape of the clock, every clock has only 12 numbers. Let me show how it looks like. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite of 12. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So every clock has how many numbers? 11. There are 12 numbers in every clock. But you know what happens? Some clock will show the numbers like this. Some clock will show 3, 6, 9, 12 and the remaining dots like this. Instead of the numbers, it shows the dots. You know, this dot means 1, this dot 2, this dot 4, this dot 5, this dot 7, this dot 8, this dot 10 and this dot 11. Like this. You know, but some clocks has only the dots. But even the dots are also 12. Even the dots are also 12 only. So every clock, wall clock has a 12 numbers. But when you see in the mobile, in the mobile, it shows 24 hours clock. But today, first, as it is a first class, we learn about a 12 hours clock. Okay, children? And in the clock, there will be a dot or dot like this in the middle, in the center of the clock. Okay, in some clocks there will be some buttons or something like a which looks stylish. So in that there will be a 3. Okay, there are 3 needles. How many needles are there in the clock? 3. How many needles? 3. You know, one which looks bit thick, it is hour, and the other one also looks bit more thick and bit more longer than the hour one, and it is minutes needle, and one looks very thin and long, it is seconds. Okay, the small needle is per hours. What is that? Hours. And the bit more big than the small one, and thick, this needle is for minutes. This is for minutes, and this thin lane and the taller one, it is for seconds. Okay, so there are 3 needles in every clock. How many needles will be there? 3 needles, and one is for hours, the smaller one, and the medium and the bigger one is for minutes, and the thin and the taller one is for seconds. Got it, children? So today I came with one TLM for you. Did you see the clock? What is the shape of this clock? Circle. And you know, children, in this clock, not only the timing, we have the months of the year, days of the week, seasons, right? Morning and the evening, in the sense day, and is it rainy like today? How is the weather today? It's cool, right? Sometime it will be so hot. So weather also there. And then the numbers, like the date. Example, today is what is today's day? Is today Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Which day? Wednesday. So let me put on Wednesday. Okay. And which month is this? Which month is this? Month, November. So let's put it in November month. Okay, children. Now see. And the weather is cloudy, cloudy, cool, cool, right? So let's put the weather cloudy. Got it? Now tell me, is it a morning section, afternoon section or evening? Morning. Good. Nana, while you are answering, please listen to the question carefully. Tell me, is it a morning section or afternoon or evening? Morning. So morning section. Now tell me, yesterday 28 and today 9. So let's put the date of 29. Okay? 29 November, Wednesday. It is a winter and morning section and a cloudy day. Okay, now let's go into our main topic, clock. You know, as I said, there will be a three needles, right? But these two are the very main needles. These two are the main needles because it shows hours and minutes. So in our clock, how many needles we have? 2. The main needles. These are the main needles. Now, as I have taught you the timings, how to say the timings, I will put this now. You have to tell me the hours. Okay, as you have learnt only about the hours. First, today we will do about the hours. I will ask one by one. Everyone has to answer me. Okay, let me start with Akshay. I am putting the needle on one small needle and this minutes needle on 12. What is the time? Full timing you have to say. You have to say 1 o'clock. Okay, now tell me what is the time? Very good. So Tulasi, if I turn this hour 1 on 2, what is the time? 2. Full sentence you have to say 2 o'clock. Okay, now let me ask Divi. I am putting this on 5. Tell me what is it? Very good.